Hello students, welcome to again to our VANIK Smart. So students, now we are going to discuss another probable 21 questions of computer, and it is the probable questions for your upcoming examinations which is going to be held in this month, and that is Odisha Staff Selection Commission CGL Combined Graduate Level Examination, right? So in CGL there is the possibility of 20 to 21 question will become of the computer sections. So let's go about the discussions of the probable questions, right? So today we are going to discuss about 22 set number, okay, and go to the question number 1, right? To make the notebook computer as a desktop model, the notebook can be connected to a dash which connected to monitor and other devices. So students, we can extend the laptop with the other peripheral equipment. So there is a device is known as docking station. So we can use the docking station, and when it is connected to our laptop, okay, so it will be provide multiple number of ports, and through these ports all the external devices, all the such type of peripheral devices or add-on component can connect it to our computer system. So very popular questions. Question number 1, answer is B, docking station. Okay, simply students remember that docking station means an equipment, okay, we can say one type of extension connectivity through which multiple external resources, add-on component, peripheral component can be connected to the computer system, right? So question number 1, Rudra, answer is B, docking station. Then goes to question number 2. So what is the question number 2? The question number 2, it has to save as the individual item immediately use dash. So it has asked about save as. So very popular questions. Okay, it is the previous question of CGL 2022. The question is that what is the shortcut keys used for the save as? So answer is F12. So F12 is the shortcut key basically used for save as. So question number 2, answer is B. Then goes to question number 3. System software is the set of program, yes, that enable your computer's hardware device and dash software to work together. So system software means, for example, operating system. Operating system allows, okay, to interact the hardware devices as well as the application software to work together, because this operating system or system software works as an interface, and through the help of this interface both the hardware component and the application software can be work together. So question number 3, answer is D. Then goes to question number 4. Okay, goes to question number 4. So what is the question number 4? Find the odd man out. So it has asked about, so find the odd man out. So what is the option C here? Interpreter is a program translator, compiler is also a program translator, assembler is also a program translator, means 3 types of program translator are there. Okay, so elimination is operating system, because operating system is not a program translator. So question number 4, answer is B. Then goes to question number 5. So in question number 5, which of the following key function of a firewall? So it has asked about what is the functioning of a firewall. So students, we have already discussed about this term firewall. It is an utility tool specifically used and present in every computer system, and basically works as a protective barrier and protect our system from unauthorized access, as well as the monitoring the computer system for unauthorized access over the medium of internet. So question number 5, we can choose here option A, monitoring. Okay, so question number 5, the firewall is used basically for the monitoring purpose, right? Then goes to question number 6. All a dash converts and execute one statement at a time. So it has asked about single statement at a time. That means dash can translate only one instruction at a time or one statement at a time. Answer is interpreter. Answer is B, interpreter, because compiler and interpreter both are the program translator and specifically designed for the high level program language instruction. But compiler can translate total instruction at a time. Suppose you have designed 600 lines of code and this 600 lines of code can be translated at a time. But interpreter can translate only one instruction at a time. So here question number 6 we can choose, answer is B, interpreter. Then goes to question number 7. The primary device that the computer uses to store the information. The primary device is basically used to store the information. So among these options, TV, desk, okay, storehouse, hard disk. So answer is D, hard disk. So hard disk is the most common secondary storage where we can store large volume of data permanently in our computer system. So question number 7, answer is D. Then goes to question number 8. Dash program that works like a calculator and keeping the track of the money and making the budgeter also. So very simple, this is an electronic spreadsheet specifically designed to perform the tabulation as well as numerical incentive calculation also. So here question number 8, answer we can choose what? B, spreadsheet. Answer is B, spreadsheet. So question number 8, answer is B. Then goes to question number 9. Dash cell involves creating a single cell by combining 2 or more selected cell. So it has asked if you combine 2 to 3 or more number of cell, okay, in a single unit, then we can say this is merging. The option is B, answer is what? Merging. Then goes to question number 10. The operating system is the most common type of dash. Communication, no. System software, yes. Application software, no. Word processing, no. So operating system is a kind of system software and it is works as an interface between the user and hardware. So question number 10, answer is C. Then goes to question number 11. Dash called the supervision of computer activity. So dash can supervise our computer system. Simply answer is B, operating system. So operating system can supervise, can monitor, okay, as well as can works as an interface between the user and hardware, okay, and it manages all the resources. That's why it is the manager of our computer system. So here question number 11, answer is B, operating system. Then goes to question number 12. Repeater works in which layer of OSI model? OSI, very popular term, it stands for Open System Interconnection. Open System Interconnection. So in OSI model there are 7 layers, okay, and the first layer is the physical layer where all the physical equipment like modem, switch, repeater, okay, so this type of devices we can connect it. So repeater basically works on a physical layer. This is the first layer where all the physical equipment are necessary to connect the network or internet communication. So question number 12, repeater we can choose as C, physical layer, okay. So there are the 4 questions. Another is switch and we can say bridge. If you think about the concept of switch and bridge, this is data link layer, okay, router, this is your physical layer, data link layer, okay, transport layer, router is your transport layer, and if you think about the gateway, gateway is available in all the layers, okay. Then goes to question number 13. Dash are the summarized version of slides that display only title and main text. The summarized version, this is outline. So in the MS PowerPoint, we can keep the outline in a summarized versions of your description. So this is known as outline. So question number 13, answer is B. Then goes to question number 14. The dash cells are referred by their fixed position in the worksheet. The fixed positions is nothing but the absolute reference. Okay, so absolute referring. So this is the fixed length, we can say absolute referring. So question number 14, answer is C. Then goes to question number 15. Machine code. Machine code is nothing but your computer understandable code. This is nothing but your binary code, and it is in the form of lower level language. So if question is that what are the example of lower level language, then answer is machine level language and assembly language. And as it has asked a machine code, alternatively it is known as binary code or system code, or we can say computer understandable code, and it is in the form of lower level programming language. So question number 15, answer is C. Then goes to question number 16. Objects on the slide that hold the text area. Object on the slide that hold the text area. So it is simply known as placeholder. So in MS PowerPoint, this place is known as the placeholder. Okay. Okay, Joy, you are written as high level language. No, it is not high level language. This is lower level language because machine code it has given. As it has given machine code means binary code. This is in lower level programming language. So question number 16, answer is D. Then goes to question number 17. Magnetic tape. Magnetic tape, it is in which mode? Sequential access mode, direct access mode, combination of sequential and direct access mode, interactive access mode. Simply we can say sequential access mode. So magnetic tape is the oldest secondary storage where the data can read and write serially, or we can say sequentially. So that's why question number 17, answer is A. Then goes to question number 18. Question number 18, what is the question? It has asked MS Excel 2007 contains how many columns? So as it is specified the version, so answer is A, 16,384. 16,384 is the number of columns which is available in MS Excel 2007. And if its row is there, row, okay, ten lakhs 48,576. This is the number of rows is available in Excel 2007 or higher. Okay, but in case of columns, it is 16,384. Okay. Then goes to question number 19. Which of the following is the minimum zoom percentage? Minimum zoom percentage supported in MS Word. So students, remember that in MS Word, minimum is 10% and maximum is 500%. Okay, but in case of Excel and PowerPoint, okay, always remember that minimum is 10% and maximum is 400%. So students, I am repeating again, in MS Word minimum is 10% and maximum is 500%, whereas in Excel and PowerPoint the minimum is 10% and maximum is 400%. So question number 19, answer is A. Then goes to question number 20. The default lines to drop for the drop cap. So it has asked how many lines it can be dropped by default when we are applying a drop cap in MS Word. So students, remember that when we have dropped the first character of the paragraph, the default is 3 lines to drop. So answer is A, default is 3 line to drop. So question number 20, very popular question, answer is 3 line to drop. Okay, then goes to question number 21. What is the main folder of the storage device? So main folder is nothing but your root directory. Okay, so folder in command line interface is known as directory, and the main folder is also known as root directory. So question number 21 answer is B. So students, we have discussed the mock test number 22 computer. It is 21 questions which is very popular questions and asked in different examinations. So this discussion I think helpful for you, all the students who are watching today. Okay, so in the next sessions again we will come back again with a new another 21 questions, probable 21 questions for your upcoming questions. Okay, so students, stay tuned with your online class podium VANIK Smart, and we will meet again. Thank you very much watching this video. Okay, we will meet again with a new questions, and it will be mock number 23. Thank you, have a nice day and good night to all. Okay.